How to create a Vblink store account. This video is designed to help our agents and distributors maximize their profits. Log in. Log in to your Subdistributor account by visiting gm.vblink777.club password. Change your password. User Management. Click the sidebar, then click User Management, and again User Management under it. Agent. Click Add Agent. Fill out the username and password. All other settings remain default. Score. On an agent account, click Set Score. A positive plus number increases the balance. A negative number decreases the balance. Hit subscribe and don't forget to share this video.